Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the possible link between flaxseed and weight gain. Flaxseed has gained popularity as a superfood known for its potential health benefits. From its high fiber content to omega-3 fatty acids, this tiny seed packs a nutritional punch. But here's where things get interesting. There's a common misconception that consuming flaxseed can actually lead to weight gain, especially if you overdo it. Let's debunk this myth and uncover the truth. To understand the role of flaxseed in a balanced diet, we need to look at its nutritional profile. Flaxseed is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to meals. However, overeating flaxseed can tip the scales in the wrong direction. Excessive consumption can lead to a surplus of calories and potentially disrupt your digestive system. The real danger lies in overindulging in flaxseed. Consuming too much can result in unintended weight gain due to the high calorie content. Additionally, the excess fiber in flaxseed can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. It's essential to enjoy flaxseed in moderation to reap its benefits without the unwanted side effects. While flaxseed offers numerous health advantages, overeating it can lead to adverse effects on your weight and digestion. Remember, balance is key when incorporating flaxseed into your diet. What are your thoughts on flaxseed consumption? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on health and nutrition. Thanks for watching.